Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Postmates, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your side hustle with Postmates, start by downloading the Postmates app on your smartphone. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's layout and features. Set up your profile by adding a profile picture and ensuring your delivery preferences are clear. Next, complete the necessary onboarding process, including a background check and providing required documents. After you're approved, explore the different delivery options available in your area. Check the map feature to understand peak hours and busy zones where you can earn more. Consider using a bicycle or scooter for deliveries to save on fuel costs and navigate through traffic easily. Experiment with different delivery times to identify when demand is highest for your area. Set personal goals for daily or weekly earnings to keep yourself motivated and utilize the Earn Money section to track your earnings and monitor your performance over time. Network with other Postmates drivers to share tips and best practices for maximizing income. Stay organized by planning your schedule in advance to allocate enough time for deliveries. Always communicate clearly with customers if there are any issues with their orders, as good customer service can lead to better tips. Regularly check for promotions or bonuses offered by Postmates to increase your earnings further. At the end of each week, assess your performance and adjust your strategy as needed to improve efficiency. Keep learning about the local area and new restaurants to expand your delivery knowledge. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your side hustle with Postmates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.